Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's review, we are diving into the Monument Grill's Eminence 605, a high-performance grill that combines stainless steel durability with top-tier features. Today, we'll walk through everything from setup to searing lamb skewers, juicy chicken legs, gyro strips, fresh corn, and even a full rotisserie chicken. Straight out of the box, this grill feels premium. Built from solid stainless steel with die-cast aluminum side panels, it is clearly made to last. Setup took me about 4 hours, but the instructions were so clear and well organized and very easy to follow. After finishing the setup, we started off with lamb skewers, mushrooms, and fresh veggies like eggplants, tomatoes, and peppers, grilled directly over the grates. With its wide cooking surface, I was able to grill enough lamb skewers at once to feed about 15 people. It saved me a lot of time getting ready for the dinner. Thanks for the blaze zone and 6-blade infrared burners pushing up to 89,000 BTUs. The Eminence 605 preheats to 700 Fahrenheit in just 5 minutes. That high and even heat gave us deep sears, crispy edges, and juicy results. Next up, gyro meat, grilled straight on the grates over high heat. The grill gave me a full control, and the wide cooking service made it easy to work with multiple batches at once. Gyro browned evenly, stayed juicy, and picked up some smoky charred flavor you cannot get from any pan. Then it was time for bone-in chicken legs and 3 fresh corn cups. For this cook, I used the included Bluetooth meat probes, a game changer. I targeted an internal temperature of 175 for the chicken and monitored everything right from the Monument app. I first seared the chicken legs over the direct heat by turning on all the burners, then turned off 3 to create an indirect heat zone where the legs cooked evenly for about 30 minutes until the internal temperature reached 175. Meanwhile, the corn blistered beautifully on the side sear burner. It came together as a smooth, precise cook. Now for the rotisserie, I fired up the ceramic infrared rear burner plus 4 of the main burners underneath to lock in heat and speed up the roast. With the included rotisserie kit and smart burner design, the chicken came out crisp to perfection on the outside and juicy on the inside. This part really showed how versatile and well built the 605 is. Okay, final thoughts. So, here is the bottom line. From lamb to gyro, corn to rotisserie, the Eminence 605 handles every single cook with ease. The build quality is premium, and it supports both propane and natural gas. It comes equipped with 6 main burners, an infrared rear burner with stainless rotisserie kit, and infrared side sear station for perfect crest and char. The smart display, electronic ignition switch, and temperature sensitive rainbow light knobs give it a high-tech edge, while the thick, quiet closed cabinet doors add to the luxury feel. You can even check your propane level directly on the grill screen. The 3rd gen LED touch panel and Bluetooth app make monitoring effortless, and with 10-year limited warranty, you know it's built to last. Check the link in the description to learn more. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next build or next bite. Thank you.